Yeah, hello everyone. I'm going to show you guys something about Pixelverse that you should actually take serious. That is if you're not doing it until this point. Okay, so we all know about the Telegram mini game that these guys have produced out here. I'm just going to go into my Telegram app right now, and you can see this is the game. And we all know this game is the one we can actually get some coins by just clicking or by just clicking on claim. Yeah, that's what you can do. And if you want to get more daily allocation, you can just go ahead and make sure you upgrade your bots every now and then. Just keep upgrading it, and your daily income will increase. Okay, so from here right now, you can see that this is the Pixelverse website, and we should actually get to see something here that I want to show you guys. So from here, you could see that we actually earn two different ways. We actually earn from two different methods. Number one is to make use of the Pixelverse game dashboard. Number two is to make use of the Telegram bot mini game. So from here, if we're actually interacting with the dashboard, we'll be interact with our pets. We can earn the Pix. And if we actually do the Telegram mini game, which is a clicker, we'll be earning what they call the Fi. So this is the Pix Fi. Okay, so but to me, I believe that the Pix will be much more valuable than the Fi. Like the allocation from your Pix would be much more valuable. So that's why I'm making this video, to show you guys. Okay, so from here right now, just go to the link in the description of this video. You'll see a link there. Click on that link, and it's going to take you straight to what looks something like this. So all you need to do is to create an account here. You can actually make use of your email. Just type it here and just go ahead and sign in. Or you could actually sign in with your Google, which is much more easier. Okay, once you're ready, click on agree and go through the terms of the and condition. Click on sign in with Google. All right, so you can see right now we are logged into our dashboard. And from here, you could see that we have 500 Pix. Okay, so we can do a couple of things to get more Pix. Make sure, number one, you have to go to this place that says edit, and you have to assign your social account. Connect the Telegram you're using to play the PixelTap by Pixelverse Telegram mini app. Connect your Twitter, connect your Discord, and put a bio about yourself here. It could be anything. Choose a username for yourself, and it will give you each of these points in Pix. You can just see. Once you're done, click on save and close this. Come back to here that says spreads. From here, you could just choose a bot. Let's say I choose this one. Once I click on it, every day I can come here and just do, I can just go ahead and just feed it so that I'll be getting, so I'll have some streak. When I feed it, they will get, you can see, they gave me 650 Pix. Okay, so if I come back tomorrow and feed it, it's going to actually add up. So that is how, okay, you can see the next reward is going to be in 3 hours. So I come back here in 3 hours and just click on this one right here. All right, so this is how to go about the dashboard. You can go ahead and also click on task, and you have to do all these single tasks here, and you'll be getting all this point. This one, like and comment the video. You like a comment, and you take a screenshot and you upload it. You upload it at some point. Okay, I'm just going to take you guys through a couple of all these, and then I'll show you the parts that really interests me. Come over to society, and I think this one is automatically filled up for us. Come back to individual, go and make sure you fill up everything here. You'll be getting more Pix. Don't forget to feed your pet every day. You can also change it if you don't like this one anymore. Okay, you can also make sure you can also edit the name. That is one thing you could do. Go over to one more very important task you can do is to click on Demo Playground. When you click on Demo Playground, it's going to bring you to this part here. And here is the main game, guys. Here is the main game. This is the main game. So when you choose a name you want to use, you can choose any name you want and just start playing. Okay, so once you click on start playing, you can see that they brought us to this part right now. I've been playing this game for quite some time right now, and I think the main mission in this game is to actually complete your 7 daily mission. So this is our 7 daily mission. This is what we have to do for 7 different days. We cannot do everything one day. And so today I think I've done this day 2, and now I've left into day 3 in 20 hours. It's gonna unlock. Then I do that every day. One of these tasks unlocks every single day. Okay, I believe that this might play a role on some part, because they say they'll be giving us a special reward. This is the main thing I want to show you guys in this video, so that if you're not playing this game up to this point, or like up to this, like down to the play.pixelverse of the XYZ, I believe you're making the mistake. So try to focus on this part too. It's very important. It's very important. The game is really nice. Maybe while completing my day 3, I'll make a video. For those of you that will be needing the video at some point. Okay, so let me just go ahead and just wrap this up here. I told you guys about the dashboard, whereby you'll be able to click the link in the description and feed is this feeding or something? Feed your pet every day. Okay, this is the dashboard where you sign up. This is the article where we talked about Pixelverse game dashboard and how they split these two earnings into 2. Okay, that's pretty much everything I want to talk about in this video. All right, see you guys in the next one, and I'll also make sure I post the daily combo in the Telegram group, and I'll also make a video about it. So make sure you're in the Telegram group, because that's our community. See you guys in the next one. Peace out.